Hello student of grade 9. Welcome to this video on textile technology. We are going to look at fabric constructions, their performance characteristics, and end uses. Let us look at the learning objectives of this lesson. This video will help you to relate fabric construction to performance characteristics and end uses of textile fibers. Differentiate among the three main fabric construction techniques. List fabric's performance characteristics related to fabric construction and their end uses. First of all, let us do a recapitulation of what you have learned in grades 7 and 8. You have learned that a fiber has a thin hair-like structure. It can be natural or man-made. And fibers are the raw material used to make fabrics. A yarn is made by twisting the fibers together. The process is known as spinning. Fabrics are made from yarns or fibers. Remember from what you have learned in grade 8. The performance characteristics of textile fibers relate to the qualities or properties that the fibers have. End use relates to the final use of the textile item. There are three main methods of fabric construction techniques. They are weaving, knitting, and felting. Weaving involves interlacing the warp and weft yarns on a loom machine. To carry out weaving, we need two sets of yarns. The warp yarns and the weft yarns. Warp yarns run lengthwise in the fabric. Weft yarns run across the width of the fabric. Warp yarns are stronger than the weft yarns. Warp yarns are also known as a straight grain. Weft yarns are interlaced over and under the warp yarns alternately, creating a structure known as weaving. The narrow finished edges of a woven fabric are referred to as selvages. Here are some pictures showing the selvages of some woven fabrics. During the cutting out of a fabric, the selvage helps us to cut the fabric in the correct direction. The straight grain of a woven fabric runs parallel to the selvages. The selvages of a fabric do not fray, but the raw edges have a tendency to unravel easily. From what you can see in this picture, woven fabrics fray easily. Some common examples of woven fabrics are calico fabric, commonly known as la toile écrue, and denim fabric, which is also used to make jeans. If you study the performance characteristics of a woven fabric, you will notice that they are usually stable, which make them strong and suitable for many household items, as well as for garments. Woven fabric are easy to care for. Now let us have a look at the different end uses of woven fabrics in our day-to-day living. They are used to make household and furnishing textile items, and also for clothes and accessories. As an activity, create your own woven fabric. Here are the materials that you will require: cardboard, a pair of scissors, 2 or 3 different colored woolen yarns, tapestry needle, a pencil, and a ruler. First thing, cut a cupboard of size 15 by 15 centimeters. Notch 2 opposite ends of the cardboard at 1 centimeter interval along the edge of the cardboard. Next step, wrap 1 color of woolen yarn around the cardboard by passing it in between each notch. This will be referred as the warp yarns. The next step, thread another colored woolen yarn in a tapestry needle. Pass the yarn over and under each warp yarn. This yarn will represent the web yarns. Continue the second row by passing the needle under and over the warp yarns. Repeat step 4 and 5 until you obtain a woven piece of fabric. You can change colors of yarns after working several rows. You will note that woven fabrics are stable, which make them strong and suitable to be worn regularly. Like, for example, making trousers or shirt. They are also easy to care for. Here is a list of exercises that you can do. First of all, list 5 household and finishing items made from woven fabrics that are found in your home. Second question, why are your school shirts blouse, and uniform made from woven fabrics. Question 3. State which performance characteristics make the following textile items suitable for its end use. Towel, school bag, curtain, tablecloth. Give 2 reasons to support the answers given in 3A for each textile item. Now let us summarize this lesson. So at the end of this video, you have learned that weaving is a method of fabric construction. Woven fabrics consist of warp and weft yarns, and they fray easily. Woven fabrics are stable and strong fabrics which are suitable for various end uses. They are easy to care for. Thank you for your attention. Until the next, goodbye.